So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice chart with AI. How we can create by any kind of table. As here is a table like month, office one sales and office two sales. So how we can create any kind of chart by using this kind of table. So how it should be, let's get practice. And today this is only one practice, nothing more than that. You don't have so much note, just start. And it is very helpful for any industry to create any chart by using any table. So guys, after selecting, this is the first step. You should keep in your mind that select whole table, yeah, whole table, and then go to insert. Yes, insert, and there are so many chartable levels. You just have to click and watch what should you want to choose. What you want to choose, you just so here are create chart. Just click on that. You will get so many options to create like column, clustered column, state column, 100% state column, line chart, combo, pie, donut, bar, area, XY scatter. There are so many chart level guys. Within a second, just within a second, after clicking on any one, you will get the so think I am choosing this one and it has been created, so it's so amazing. It's the AI chart with AI tools. So this is most important part of Excel. One should learn this thing because whenever you start working on any from in any company, then it will be very helpful in your journey, and one must learn this kind of things, I think, to create chart by using any kind of table. So, and after creating this chart, how can we decorate it? How can we visualization? We can do that. The stockholder or any person can, or your boss can understand easily what are the thing is going on. Like this, the blue one, this blue one is office one sales. How we can utilize that, understand that what is happening in this chart. So in blue, what you are watching in blue, this is showing office one sales, means this one, this blue, this one, blue is office one sales. This is office one, this one, and this one orange color is office two sales. So this one is office two sales is representing this bar. And these are the month January, February, March. In January there is very low office one sales, office two blue, and these are the office two. So how we can analyze by using this kind of chart? We can analyze. So now what we should do? Uh, Now if we want to change, I don't want to use this chart. I want to change this chart. So how it could be? Then again, after selecting this table, just go to insert and in chart, click chart, and you will get so many options available here. Just select any one. Yeah, after selecting this one, it will start working like that. So this is like that. And if you want this one, it will, what you will click, it will start working like that. Okay guys, so what is your choice, what you want to apply, just click on that. And More than that, once it is there, I would like to share with you that in chart there are so many options like pie chart. If you want to utilize it, you this has been converted in pie chart, but it is not clearly visible. We people can not understand easily as it is not good because pie chart always is for percentage. So we should change this after clicking again. Go and bar chart. Just in bar chart there is one no available is there. So you can also choose line chart. So after selecting, go here. Okay, it is not free, so we can't use. We just have to cross it. Just as we have selected here, and it is showing the whole result. And after selecting this one, you will get. Suppose I am going to again the change the chart in column chart in column I have converted it and it is showing like that and then there is one option switch change chart type. What is that? This is one what we have done and switch row to column. After clicking here, what are you doing? What are you watching, guys? Are you observing any kind of changes? What? So it has been changed in two parts, like Office 1 cells and Office 2 cells. Okay. So in Office 1 cells, it has been divided by switching. After selecting chart, when you have selected, then just go switch row and column. After switching, it has been divided in two parts, Office 1 cells. This part is Office 1 cells and this part. It will be very easy to understand. You can read data easily. For that purpose, we use this portion switch that you can easily understand what are the values of Office 1 cells and what are the values of Office 2 cells. Okay. So for that purpose, uh, and what are the other things we can change? What is move chart? You can change the chart in new sheet. So today it is enough for learning purpose. That's how it should be. Then I'm going to again show you after selecting whole the table. Control A. Click any cells and Control A. Then go insert and chart. Select any kind of chart and just but it is not free so we can't use and keep one thing in your mind before creating chart that where you want to create. If here I want to create, after selecting here you can shrink it here and there by using here this one. You can increase the size, decrease the size. Then when this four arrow will show, then you can move the chart here and there. You can move the chart here. Yeah, you can move the chart here. Okay, so like this it works. Now this is chart elements. What is chart elements? So if you want to change the title, like here, change title. If you uncheck here, then it will be gone. It will not visible. After clicking chart title, it will be visible. Then you can change the name of chart title, what you want to keep here. like sales details, month-wide sales details. So we can change the name. Okay, so that's how we can enhance. Like here, after clicking, if you want anything changed, legend. What is legend? Just click here, you will see. Here it is legend. This one is legend. So it has been come here. So if you want to change, then go in after clicking, go here in. Then if you want to keep it top, then it will be go in top. If you want to bottom left, bottom, it has become in bottom. If you want to change the left, then it has become left. So like that, you can change by using this kind of option. What will be suitable, what should be uh, good in order to get a good chart, a perfect chart. You should keep in your mind that what will the things we can change. And data levels, we want here, it is not showing any kind of data levels. What is the data levels? What means in office one says what is the January sales, so it should be visible here, but it is right now not visible. After clicking on data levels, it should be visible. Are you watching, guys? Data levels here is showing all the things. Error bars, but it is not good to visible. That is the data table. All the things here is the table has been created, data table. So guys, these are the things you should check and practice. After practicing, you can you understand that what are the things going on. So this is the thing about creating the chart with AI. If you have any kind of data, so convert it into table, and after converting table, you can create chart with AI. And how can you decorate any chart? It up to you. So, and one more thing, that after clicking here, you can also change the color. Like here it is orange, then you can change it blue. Okay, and for office 1 cells, you can change. For office 2 cells, you can change color. As like that, it will work. So it is very beautiful. What and one thing is there. After clicking this one, this area, you want to fill color, then just click solid fill, then it has been colored. And after backward, you want to click that area, then it will also fill with color. Yeah, so like that, you can change your chart in beautiful visualization. Like that, it will be very helpful. But one thing is to observe that in orange color there is not visible orange color bar chart, column chart. So column, so we should keep in their mind that it should be visible clearly. So after clicking here, you can change the color. After clicking, you can change the color. So just practice and go do by yourself, then you can understand easily and in a perfect way. So thank you for today's session. It was the very nice guide for you. If you practice it, you can learn good things, best things in your learning career. So go exploring and just keep practicing, keep learning, keep signing. Thank you. See you in my next video.